Hi, this is Dubiss Forex Academy. My name is Chinedu Chikezie. I'm excited today, 16th of September 2025. I want to give you updates. Wow, my guys, we are really grinding results at Dubiss Forex Academy. If this is your first time of joining our analysis, please subscribe to this channel, Dubiss Forex Academy. Follow us on all social media handles, Dubiss Forex Academy, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Telegram. Dubiss Forex Academy. Just search Dubiss Forex Academy. All right, so let's start with XAUUSD. Guys, remember I told you guys that was first Friday. Even before that, since last month, I told you that we are buying on a long time XAUUSD, which is gold. And I told you that once this symmetrical triangle is broken, that gold will be on its way to 3,700, 3,800, 3,900, even 4,000 per ounce of gold. I'm excited to announce to you guys that since symmetrical triangle was broken, gold have moved over 2,800 pips from there. Then from when we started buying, which was around this point, around 3,300, between 3,310, 3,315, when we started buying around 3,315, you see that we have actually grinded 3,600 and something pips. Now look at, let me show you what gold has been doing. If you go to monthly time frame, if you go to 10 monthly time frame, and then you see how gold has been moving. Everything. This is monthly time frame. This is what we call top-down analysis. You know, in our weekly analysis, what we normally do is to just give you the direction of the market, because we want to take each and every one of it and then go deep in depth about, giving you all the analysis one by one. We will not be able to finish plenty pairs. We normally like to, analyze multiple pairs for those that wish to trade anyone. For example, Euro USD, GB USD, USD USD CHF, GB AUD, AUD USD, AUD CAD, CHF JPY, Euro AUD, Euro GBP, Euro JPY, GB JPY, GBP CAD, Euro NZD. These are the things we analyze all those pairs so that people can trade the one they prefer. So let me show you something. Before I will continue, let me just show you my trade as well. And when I open since that first Friday. All right, this is the position I've been holding it. Already moved my stop loss break even. I started buying around 3570, 3572.33. This is the price I entered. Now I've moved my XL to 3580. So you can see, look at the trade here, and it's still going. My TP is 3700. Guys, after this TP, I will still look for another entry point to take good further to around 3800, 3900, and 4,000. It will not happen in one day or even in 1 month. So this is the trade. I tell you guys I will be showing the trade. I've shown you the trade right now for you to see. So if you check the history of this account, you also see what I've been making. Let me just show you the history. And I also decided to show you, not to show you just only recent trade. You can see some of the trades. You can see when I also made loss. You see that it's not just only profit, it's profit and loss. But at the end of the day, you can see the balance as of today. You can see the withdrawals. You can see the deposits. And you can see the profit made, 68,508. Oh man, this is awesome. US dollar made within this period. Guys, we are actually grinding results. All right, we are grinding results, guys. We are grinding results. Let's go back to analysis. So I just want to let you know that the trade we are analyzing, we are taking it, okay? More especially gold. I measure on gold. I trade other pairs, but I measure on gold. So since we are running sniper entry strategy, I focus on good and get my results and get away from the market. What we are looking for is profit, not just about the pair we are trading. It's about the profit we are making from that particular pair you want to trade. So good. Let me show you something also on daily time frame. Let me show you something on daily time frame so that you understand. See, see what I'm trying to see. You see this movement, all right, from this low here to this high is 9,000 plus pips. This is exactly what I'm expecting again. As it has broken from this symmetrical triangle, I'm expecting 9,000. At the moment, it has moved 2,800 plus. So we still have about 5,000 plus. Almost 6,000 plus. 6,000 plus to go for good. So, but you see the way it happened here, it moved up to this, retrace, move again, retrace, move this massive move, retrace, and then do give us this. So we are going to see something like that as well. There is no, if you watch this one, there is no major retracement like this one. There's no retracement like this one, or this, or this. So that is why I have to take it step by step. Okay, step by step, we take it. So when you move, and then probably 3-7 or so, I don't know when it will retrace. Nobody know when it will retrace, but the direction is upward, guys. Let's trade and make money from gold. These analysis. Let me leave it like that so that we're able to analyze other pairs. All right. If you want to get in-depth analysis, Elliott wave, smart money concept, the whole thing that we're using to analyze to know when to enter, when to exit, then you need to join our academy, Dubiss Forex Academy, guys. Join us and then make profit. Let me just give you Euro USD. This is Euro USD. We started buying even from this point. This point. The last, let me just analyze the last analysis. Let's see the result of the last analysis. The result of the last analysis is still on profit. Look at the last analysis. We are here at this trend line. So it has moved how many pips? Let's see. So this is close to 100 pips. Last analysis has given us close to 100 pips. That was last week. So within from last week till now, about 100 pips for Euro USD. Then let's look at GBUSD. GBUSD, when we give the last analysis is here. Look at it. This is almost 200 pips. GBUSD is still upward. We are still moving to 3800. The bias is still the same. If you have not watched a previous video, go and do that. Then last analysis for USD JPY, let's see how many pips. USD JPY last analysis was here, we are here. And then let's see how many pips. It gave us over 200 pips. Over 200 pips. So we are still there. It's still within this place. We want to see the major move down for USD JPY. Let's see USD CHF. USD CHF last analysis was here. And we gave you two positions. We say price will move down to hit here and bounce. Look at it. Price actually move, okay, around 40 something pips, and then price also bounce as analyzed. Bounce, see it, it bounce again. So for the something is something. Now let me tell you, please, don't be too sure about the buy for USDCHF because this particular structure here, this liquidity zone, this support zone, most likely will be broken. Guys, and I can tell you, if this place is broken, it's going to fly. It's going to fly down. It's going to go deep down. So please, if you're on buy for USDCHF, be careful because it may break. Then GBAUD. GBAUD, we started selling from this point to this point. This was our last analysis. We say ordinarily this is supposed to be respected, but I told you with the pressure that most likely it will be broken. And this was the scenario I gave you. And I told you, you don't need to buy yet, you need to wait to see here being respected before price will go up. But if here is not respected, it will be broken, retest, and then it sells. So at the moment now, you can see broken, sent to retest. So this second scenario is what is playing out. So congratulations for those that their sell, because from this point broken, because we told you that is a short we are talking about is over 100 pips. So this need to go as the second scenario is working perfectly as analyzed. Price is still going down. Then ADUSD. This is awesome. ADUSD last analysis. I saw some people trying to short ADUSD. Guys, don't fight the trend. The trend for ADUSD, like I said before, is a buy. So you can see 1,400 and something pips, almost 150 pips. So price is now going closer to the upper. You see the trend line I drew, so it's going close to that trend line. So caution is being advised here because it could actually fall back to this zone, right? This is the channel where this price is moving. But I can tell you this particular structure we have highlighted here, which is the resistance level here, most likely will be broken. Take it from me. And once it's broken, retested, then we will see this one now. This next liquidity zone price will be pursuing. This is the next liquidity zone price will be pursuing. So I want to keep it just simple. I don't want to draw so many things, show you so many things. Just follow the direction of the market as I give you. So this is next liquidity zone. Of course, that is until it's broken, retested as a support. Then we'll see more to this zone. Congratulations to those that took that trade. Then you can see AD card. AD card and last analysis we are here. We told you it will go up to pursue this zone, and once here is broken before the next zone. And you can see it's already gradually moving towards the second zone. This is awesome. This is one and something pips, and then this is like 190 pips made from our entry point. So you can see price most likely will still go further up to hit here. Somehow, CAD was somehow weak within last 1 week. All right, that's why you see all these AUD is beating CAD, even USD CAD. It moved up. But I told you before that USD CAD is downward. When we get to USD CAD, I'll show you. So let's look at them, or let's just analyze USD CAD right now. Let's analyze USD CAD. Let me finish all the CAD. I'll come back to other ones. This is USD CAD. USD CAD. Our last analysis on USD CAD, it was here. I told the price will go down, right? And price came down to this point, tried to move up again. So it's still following the analysis. Price will still move down more. Why you see this was that last 1 week or so, CAD somehow had been somehow weak. But you can see yesterday, the massive move down. So let me tell you let me drop the analysis. You can jump into the sell. Guys, you can sell USD CAD. I can tell you more downward is waiting for this trend. Is coming back to this zone. And until this zone is broken, once this zone is broken, bam, USD CAD all to see it will flash down. So sell USD CAD, please, guys. The Euro CAD. You can see Euro CAD last analysis didn't move great, all right? But still, price is still within the zone for a sell. Let's see how many pips it move. Okay, just 50 something pips or 70 pips. 70 pips move. So price is still respecting this trend line. And then we're going to see the price in this zone. We are still for those of you that is holding the trade, you can hold it tight because price will still go down further. Then for GB card try to break this zone. You can see where we are. This is the one that did not work very well as analyzed, but price is still within the entry zone. So it tried to break here and price is back to this zone. So let me shift this so that we know that this is our last analysis. Our last analysis is that from this point, price will still go down. We're still believing that GB card will go down. Until this zone is broken, if it's broken and tested as a support before, we know that this zone is no longer going to hold. That price is going to go to the next zone. So GB card is still valid for a sell. Then GP, let's go back to CHFJPY. All right, CHFJPY, we have not given you entry point based on what is happening, and I'm not on this trade. I told you guys, but for those that want to trade it, this is what we draw. You can see what price. The price have been moving slowly, so I didn't think it necessary for me to like trade that. So I don't want to waste much time on CHFJPY, even GPJPY. I told you from this point, price will go down. This is the second scenario. If here is broken, of course, I told you that it's more. If you want to be conservative, you need to wait for price to get to around 206. I even drop it here. And price is moving towards that 206. But I don't want to buy JPY. That's the truth. So, but if you want to trade JPY, and of course, as far as price is on top here, price is going close to 2006. That is where you can like look for those that want to hold for a long time to short GPJPY. Right. Then Euro JPY. Euro JPY, same scenario. All right. We told you price we move up to this zone and price is gradually moving up. Somebody will say, why Dubiss, why you don't want to buy? Since you say price will go up from there, it will fall. It's not every trade that you're going to take. You look at, you do the analysis, and then you take the one that is more. We call it high probability trade setup. All right. This is for me. It's not a very high probability trade setup because price have not gotten to this point. And I don't want to buy because you may say you want to buy to this one and price will not get to this one and it will fall. Because I'm expecting road JPY to fall. But at the moment, I cannot take the trade because I've not seen confirmation for me to short Euro JPY. That's just the answer, guys. Then Euro GBP, this Euro GBP, this pair is always very slow. So Euro GBP, this is how we started buying from this point. It went up. It's coming back to this zone. If you see it around this zone again, you do what? You still do what? Buy Euro GBP. That is it. But Euro GBP always move slowly. You can see Euro Euro EUD. In fact, last week I just discovered that I even analyzed it twice. Euro AUD. I had it two picture, two analysis of 2 page open for Euro AUD. Same thing I analyzed anyway, not differently. Look at it. This is where we were last week. And then how many pips? This is 278 pips. Awesome for Euro AUD. Congratulations. It has not hit the key level. This is the key level. This is the liquidity zone we're expecting this price to get to. So there's still more room downward. Congratulations to those that took the trade. Look at it. I did it twice. Where is it? Look at it. I did it twice. So the same thing. I did it twice. So AUD going down. I analyze. Then Euro NZD. I told you guys last week we were here, and I told you that this was last 2 weeks when I told the price will hit and move up. So price actually hit and move up, and then started coming down. I told you that this place most likely will be broken. Go and watch our last video, and I said that since UD is strong and NZD is strong, I'm just expecting this place to be broken back to break back into this zone, and then from here price go down. Let's measure the distance covered so far. So from this point where we dropped last week, so this is about 200 pips. So we are going to see more movement down. So this is the point where we are going around 1.18 or 1900 area. That is the area where we are going, or 1800 for Euro NZ. This is massive. This is massive. I'm excited. Analysis is spot on. Analysis is working perfectly as analyzed, guys. You just need to follow us on all the social media handles. All right, let me show you our handles so that you can follow us and then follow us and make money for yourself. You can see GPAUD broken going down as analyzed, guys. So let's make profit together, trade together, open account with our broker. We'll have FBS and FX Pro. These are two major brokers, FBS and FX Pro. Open account and then trade with us. You can see that my trade have entered profit. My second position, I opened for good, the second position, but the first position is still going. I've actually closed yesterday. I made so much profit from good. So, and I'm still buying good. Even my second position is still moving. Not like. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much. Let me show you all our social media handles so that you can follow us. All right, let's start with Telegram. This is our VIP channel. You can see the pips we made only yesterday, 2,429 pips. That's what we made yesterday. So, in fact, I even have to open our VIP channel to get feedback from people directly. You can see wonderful feedbacks. These are the feedback people send to us. Look at it, read them. You can pause the video and read them. Pause the video, read them. Just pause the video and read them for yourself. But your signal strategy is the best, I swear. All right, you can see them for yourself. Okay, pause the video and read them. Pause the video and read them. Your analysis is top notch. You're a good forex coach. Read them and also see the results people are sending. Okay, all right, okay. Do you see? Just pause and read them, guys. Pause and read them. Right. Pause and read them. So these are some of them. Let me also show you our free uh, group so that you can join our free group. These are free groups. So join our free group. These are free group where we drop complimentary signal on daily basis. All right. So you can also see some of those. I forward them there. Let me show you the signal we sent yesterday. You can see this is for free of charge. These are the signals we dropped. Look at it yesterday. People cash out yesterday from gold. All right, let me show you other of our. This is our YouTube channel, of course. So watching this video means that you are in YouTube. Then you need to subscribe to this our channel, Dubiss Forex Academy on YouTube. All right, this is it, Dubiss Forex Academy on YouTube. Then Facebook, Dubiss Forex Academy, you can see it, 11K followers. This is the real one, Dubiss Forex Academy on Facebook. Then on LinkedIn, you can see it there, on LinkedIn, CEO Dubiss Forex Academy, you can follow. And then on TikTok, you can see it, Dubiss Forex Academy on TikTok. All right. Then on Instagram, Dubiss Forex Academy on Instagram. Follow us on our social media handles. And ensure you open an account with our broker. Next month is going to be great. Month of October is my birthday. So there's a lot we are giving next month. My wife's birthday is next month as well. 4th of October is my birthday. 20th of October is my wife's birthday. 24th of October is my wedding anniversary. And then the same October, our company will be 11 years. We'll be celebrating our 11 years anniversary. Dubiss Forex Academy is 11 next month. Thank you very much. Watch out. We are going to host people here in Port Harcourt. Our office in Port Harcourt is 284 Abaro by Mokoshi Junction. So on the 4th is our program in Port Harcourt. Then on 13th, that is next Saturday, after 4th, will be our program in Omaya. Yes. Sorry, the date is 11th. 11th October will be Omaya. Our office in Omaya is number 30 Walaka Street by Zoakali Road. That is Omaya address. Then the next one will be on the 18th of October 2025, and that will be in Enugu. Our office in Enugu is 120 Ogiro beside ABC Transport. All right, that will be on the 18th. Then on the 25th, Saturday, the 25th of October, we are going to be with you in Owerri. All right, but our training center in Owerri is Suite 5, Awibe Plaza, number 1, MCC, Wedra, by MCC Junction there. That is where Dubiss Forex Academy is in Owerri. If you want us to be in your place, you want us to come to Asaba, Uyo, Calabar, Lagos, Abuja, anywhere you are, and you want us to come there, then you need to DM Dubiss at Dubiss1 on Telegram. All right. You can also reach me on WhatsApp plus 234 818 255 6177. That is 0818 255 6177. Thank you very much for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Yes, everyone. Enjoy your profits.